Hello, friend! It's quiz day. Let's see how many Yoruba words you remember. Say it before I do. Ready? Let's go! Ọwọ́, ṣíbí, imú, ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀, ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. Can you say them all? You're Yoruba star. So, how many did you remember? I bet you got them all. Take a friend to try. Watch the full quiz on Yoruba Kids Adventure. Link in my bio. Bye, friends.